Okay, there is one point of clarity that means some of the students are facing problem. So I just make it clear to you people. So we know profit is total revenue minus total cost. Okay, so profit can be, this profit can be positive, equal to or less than 0. Okay, and this is economic profit. Okay, economic profit, and in this total cost, okay, this is economic cost, we have included the opportunity cost also. Okay, so when economic profit is equal to 0, that means firm is earning normal profit, and then when profit is greater than 0, we have supernormal profit. Supernormal profit basically means that in the market, okay, suppose on firms, on the industry, you have many industries. Okay, you have industry for soap, you have industry for cooler, you have industry for chair, you have industry for this pen. Okay, so on the industry are earning 10% profit. Okay, whatever capital they are putting, they are earning 10% profit. Okay, so they are making normal profit, that means profit, economic profit equal to 0. So whatever be the opportunity cost, taking everything into consideration, on firm are making economic profit, okay, equal to 0. That means they are making normal profit. But there is one industry, Dester, okay, Dester industry, they are making profit of 15%. Okay, they are making profit of 15%. So this economic profit is greater than 0. Okay, so if that is the case, okay, given that you have considered opportunity cost aspect also, when some industry, in some industries, some firm are making supernormal profit over and above the return that is generally available in the market as a whole, okay, we say that that industry or firm within that industry is earning supernormal profit. Okay, so normal profit is what? Normal rate of return. So if I am a neighbor, if I am working in my own business, I am earning 20,000. Okay, and if I work some other place, I am earning 20,000. So it is a normal return if I work here or work there. Okay, I am not introducing risk factor. Okay, we are assuming that risk factor is the same. Okay, so in this kind of analysis, we not put that thing into consideration. Okay, risk and return aspect. Okay, this is simple model, so we are not considering that thing. So when my return working in my company is more, okay, like I am getting 40,000 and other place I work I get 20,000. So I am getting more return than what I can get other place. So it's better I work in my company. Okay, so in economics, okay, we talk about supernormal profit in that way. So in a market there are many industries. Okay, so suppose in all the industries everyone is earning 10% return, okay, on their capital, on their other means what you say, other capital that they put up in the industries. Okay, so 10% is the general rate of return. So that is what we call normal profit. Okay, but when you earn more than 10%, say 15%, 20%, okay, so you're making supernormal profit over and above economic profit. Okay, economic profit, take into consideration, I repeat again, take into consideration opportunity cost of your neighbor, of your capital also. Okay, so when economic profit is positive, that means that firm or that industry or firm within that industry is earning supernormal profit, more than what is available to other industries. Okay, when this profit is equal to 0, okay, we say that firm is earning normal profit, and when this is less than 0, firm is making loss. Okay, and I have discussed this thing, firm operate in short term, okay, and plan in long run, and plan in long run. They're planning in the long run, but they operate in the short term. Okay, so in the short term they will operate, whether they will exist the industry or not depend on in the short term they will shut down depending on certain factor. Okay, so there are two conditions there, either they will operate or they will shut down. Okay, so long run is basically a combination, okay, combination of various short term. So the point where you decide to shut down is a part of your long run also. Okay, so when you are making loss, so you are in this position. Okay, your average cost is more than your average revenue. Whatever average revenue you will earn, the cost will be more. Okay, this is your average revenue, and this will be cost, average cost. Okay, so your cost is more than your average revenue. Okay, so you are making loss. So whether you will operate or not depend on your average variable cost. So if average variable cost is below this average revenue curve, that means you can operate. Okay, so whether you will operate or not depend on your average variable cost. So we have a concept of operating profit. Operating profit is a difference between your total revenue minus total variable cost. We divide by quantity, we will get divide by Q. Okay, so we will get divide this by Q also. I write this thing down. Divide this by Q. Okay, so we will get this is operating profit over Q equal to average revenue minus average variable cost. Okay, so operating profit equal Q average revenue minus average variable cost. Okay, okay. So when we are determining equilibrium output, we no need cost curve. Okay, you just do MC curve. This is AR curve. This is MR curve. Okay, so this is your equilibrium output and prices. So this we get equilibrium output from the marginal condition Q star. Whether firm is making operating profit or not depend on your average revenue curve and average variable cost curve. Okay, if your average variable cost curve is inside this, that means your average variable cost is less than your average revenue, so you are making operating profit. Okay, and when it is above that, you will not operate. This is the concept of operating profit. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. Okay, so let me put it one more time. Okay? So operating profit equal Q average revenue minus average variable cost. Okay, so when per unit revenue is more than average variable cost, you are making operating profit, so you will operate in the short term. When both are equal, okay, there is no point continuing. Why you will put your neighbor? Okay, you are not earning anything, you are making loss, and you are not even earning your variable cost also. You are just earning equal to your variable cost. So this is called shutdown point. Shutdown point. In some book, in perfect competition, they write average revenue equal to minimum of average variable cost. Okay, and there are three conditions: greater than, equal to, less than. We just put less than condition also. Okay, so shutdown point is average revenue less than equal to average variable cost. Okay, so this is the operating profit concept. I hope this thing is clear. If not, then in the next online session I will do it again. Okay, thank you for watching.